Now I'm going to start with the first one. I'm going to try, even if you need to go a little bit trespassing on that center, you're going to take that first flap and you're going to cover your butter 100%, and you seal that flap around the butter. A nice little flap like this, so it's stuck. Now at that point, you don't want the flour, because flour will be unsticking, but you try to stick. Now, the second flap over my first flap, about 80%, another bit of tapping there, more rolling out of my side flaps, and I'm going to go like this, 50, 50, slightly overlapping like this. It doesn't matter if they separate a bit, but what you are creating here, it's a line, and that line is called the seam. And the seam just goes upward, okay? Going north.